It was wonderful. I hadn't seen the film, so it was the first one for me, and it's really beautiful. I enjoyed it. Well, I think you're going to watch an Indiana Jones film like you did in the 80s, but it's got the fingerprint of Jim, his unique style. But it's back to scratch. It's rounding off the franchise in an absolutely fantastic way. This one should be experienced on the big screen like many other films. I would say almost everyone, but this one specifically, it's a giant film. It's like old school from the 40s and the 30s. It's spectacular visual, and you cannot watch it on a small screen.